Hi, this is Karen with WTI. In one of my lines of work, I needed a camera that will capture every detail and all the beauty of the work that I do. Since I need to post it on social media, I needed to find a camera that will deliver that and more. I'm super happy with this camera. It's really practical. It's very easy to carry. You can switch up the lenses, which I love that since sometimes I need a different lens, and I can switch them really easy with this camera. Also, I like the fact that it's really easy to handle. I can be holding it with one hand and taking the shots. I really like that it has a flash, and as you can see right here, the results are really premium. All the options that I have, but at the same time, it's really easy to understand and follow the steps. And that's our point of view.